Hello everyone, this is Mike with Cooking with the Word, and today we're making pizza on the Blackstone Grill. Stay tuned. Okay, today our pizza is going to be pepperoni, mushroom, and bacon. We're going to start out with our mushrooms. And get those cooking. We'll put down some pepperoni. Okay, pepperoni's cooking up quick. Just going to just give it a little flip. Got her heat all the way down on low. Once this gets finished, we're going to move it over on the cool side. We have some leftover wraps from some fajitas that we made just a few days ago, so we're going to use those. Spray down a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to attempt to make two at a time. First one down. Second one down. Now what we're going to do, we're going to brown both sides of it. Just put a little heat on it. Let's get these mushrooms over just a little. Pepperoni out of the way. Let them cook just a little. I'm gonna let them cook just a little bit there. Let's check and see how these are browning. Oh yeah, it's looking good. It's gonna make a nice, thin, crispy type pizza. Look how it's bubbling up there. That's gonna be good. Look at that. Bubbling up there. This is gonna be just amazing. Okay, now we're going to flip them one more time. I've added some more mushrooms, some more pepperoni. There we go. Get some heat on them. Okay, if you live in a house like us, we absolutely love pizza. I got two big teenage boys. 118 and 114, they're good sized boys, so they really like pizza. So let's get us some sauce on this. I'm gonna flip them one more time. That's gonna be a good crispy crust right there. Put some sauce on it. How much should we add? Add some. Yeah, that looks good. Now does that look good or what? Now let's add some pepperoni. That all smoothed out good. I like crispy pepperoni. It's up to you how you want to do it, how long you want to cook it. Okay, now some mushrooms. These all spread out good. Now, the very topping. Put some cheese on it. Cheese, if you please. Yes, please. Add some cheese. How much cheese should you add? Pretty much what you got. I mean, as much as possible. Can't get too much cheese. And we have plenty of cheese, so we're going to add plenty of cheese. Now the trick. I'll put a lid on it. Melt our cheese. Okay, let's take a look at this. We're starting to melt. Now, once this cheese melts, we're going to be good to go. Shake that one just a little. We're going to cover it in just a moment. But now I'm just going to put the lid down. Okay, let's check it one more time. It's been just a few minutes. Oh, look at that. I think we're good to go. What do y'all think? Oh yeah, absolutely. This up. Get it ready. We'll do the last one and we'll go in and try it. Let's check number 2 here. Oh yes, look at that, man. That looks good right there. Okay, we're going to get that one inside. Okay, now this last one here is number 4. What we're going to do we're going to add some bacon bits, bacon pieces. He likes bacon with his pizza. Got pepperoni, and fresh cooked mushrooms. Now bacon. We're going to smother it with some good mozzarella cheese. How much cheese? How much do you have? Okay, we got that one going. Now let's check this one. Ooh, look at that. Now that looks good. Get the camera down to this one. Look at this one. Wow. Gonna have a good crispy crust. It's gonna be fantastic. We'll be right back. Okay, now let's give it a try. That sounds good anyway. You look at that. Okay, now we've got us a slice here. Let's give it a taste test. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Look at that. Crunchy. Man, now that is good. And that tastes just like a thin crust pizza dough. Wow. I don't know if you can hear it crunch, but that is really, really good right there. Pizza on the Blackstone Grill, Muncie Mountain Way. please share us, like this video, share us, and follow us. If you'd like to see more videos just like this one, follow us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook for more videos like this one. Appreciate everyone. From Mike and Jessica, Cooking with the Word. See you next week.